Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry first. Myself, lecturer Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, M.Pharm in Quality Assurance and lecturer in K.K. Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori. So, today we are going to deal with identification test. Our experiment is identification test, experiment number 24. Title: to perform and report identification test on given sample of boric acid as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. So let's start with learning objective. First is intellectual skill that involves to understand the concept of experiment. Then motor skill that involves to identify the physical property, to observe the solubility in the water and different solvent, to observe the precipitation form in the test solution. New concept. Proposition first, organoleptic description that involves information related to its color, nature, odor and taste. Then proposition second, solubility. Solubility parameter indicated by descriptive term and that are only intended to apply at 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. The table is given for a descriptive term and its approximate solubility in solvent. Proposition 3, identification test. These are the tests which are not necessarily sufficient to establish absolute proof of identity, but these are the tests it is used to verify that the article being examined is in accordance with the label on the container. The failure of an article taken from the labeled container to meet the requirement of prescribed identification test indicate that article may be mislabeled or substituted. Proposition 4, pharmaceutical category. The drug is used as local anti-infective drug. So, general concept structure for actual practical. First of all, we have to perform description of the drug, means its involve its color, nature, odor and the taste. Then solubility in different solvents such as water, alcohol. Identification tests which are given in Indian Pharmacopoeia, and after completing all these tests we got whether the compound complies or does not comply the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. So let's start with apparatus which are required for identification test. First is glassware, test tube, graduated pipette and test tube stand. Then chemicals, 95% alcohol, boric acid, glycerin, methanol and sulfuric acid. For the actual practical, we have to move towards the laboratory. Friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Lab. Today we are going to perform identification test. Today's our experiment is experiment number 24, identification of boric acid. So let's start with actual practical. Description. This is the boric acid powder. It is white in color. It is almost odorless and colorless. So let's start with the solubility. First of all, we have to check solubility in water. Solubility in water. Boric acid is soluble in water. Check the solubility in ethanol. Take our sample. Then add 95% ethanol. In ethanol it is soluble. Now check the solubility in boiling water. This is our boiled water. Shake it properly. Boric acid is very freely soluble in boiling water. It is very soluble in boiling water. Now check the solubility in boiling ethanol. This is our boiled ethanol which is previously boiled. Given sample is freely soluble in boiling ethanol. So let's start with identification test. First test, take approximately 0.1 gram of the sample, then add 5 ml of methanol. This is previously weighed 5 ml of methanol, and dissolve it by warming into the water bath. Now all the boric acid is dissolved into the methanol. Now add few drops of sulfuric acid. We have to add few drops of sulfuric acid into the solution containing methanol and boric acid. Shake it properly. We have to ignite this solution on the flame. Green color border is seen. The flame has green color border. Next test. Dissolve 3 gram in 90 ml of boiling water. This is the boric acid which is previously weighed, that is 3 gram. Then it is a 90 ml of boiling water. We have to add this 3 gram of boric acid into the 90 ml of boiling water and stir it. We have to dissolve it properly into this. Now boric acid is dissolved into the 90 ml of water. Check its pH. We use this blue colored litmus and dip it into the solution. The blue color turned to pink color. That means it indicates acidic pH, and the pH between 3.8 to 4.8. Now start with observation table. Description: it is crystalline powder, white or colorless and odorless compound. That means it is complies the test as per IP. Solubility: in water it is soluble, in alcohol it is soluble, in boiling water it is freely soluble, and in boiling ethanol it is freely soluble. That means it complies the test as per IP. Identification test. Test A gives a flame has green border. That means it complies the test as per IP. And test B, the litmus paper changes from blue to red. That means it shows acidic nature. That means it complies the test as per IP. Result: the given sample of boric acid complies the test A and B for identification test as per IP. That means boric acid H3PO3, that gives H2BO3 minus plus H plus ions. Pharmaceutical category of the boric acid is local anti-infective. Thank you dear student for watching and attending the session. Thank you.